Hello, my name is Kurt Hager. I've been working on some AI MCP server stuff lately, and I thought I'd do a demo of some of the things that I've built over the last week or two. One of the things that I'm kind of excited about is this MCPTunnel. It allows me to connect to my local machine, and I can run let's see, all sorts of MCP tools. It's in some ways kind of like using OpenClaw, but instead of using OpenClaw, I'm using Claude or ChatGPT as the harness. So this basically uses a Cloudflare tunnel and can log into my local machine where I've registered a couple of MCP servers, like a property search thing for some lead generations, a CRM things, Slapstreams to play hockey games, and Claude code. So let's, for example, let's ask my CRM. I'm gonna say, let's say I forgot the name of my kickboxing instructor. I can say, can you search my notes and see if you can remind me who my kickboxing instructor is? Kevin Schultz, that sounds right. Cool. And another thing that, like I said, I say like Slapstreams. So for NHL games, the NHL has kind of fragmented the IP rights so that you can't even reasonably buy access to all the games without Avalanche or TNT, ESPN, Altitude, all the things, and it's like worse than cable because you can't buy one that has all of them. So for those games that are otherwise not available, I use Slapstreams to stream those games, and it's got a bunch of ads, and it's kind of like crappy because you got like this is an ad, it's not really the video stream, and then you got this, and then when you click on it, and this makes noise in the background, and then so you click on this and you'll get ads. So I always watch this in an incognito and that kind of thing. And I thought when I was doing some development with other web browser stuff using Chrome DevTools and chat, I was like, hey, you know what? I bet you Claude could connect to the browser DevTools and strip out all the ads. So I wrote a tool that would, or a skill file that says, hey, like connect to the browser, open the feed, and then play the stream, strip out all the ads, and then I made it into like a Chrome extension, but they had a problem with the full screen mode. So I decided to make an Electron app, and then I had this idea. Actually, let me even just make it a MCP server, so that way I can completely redo the UI. I can scrape their site, grab the game titles, grab the feed links, and then I can click on the feed, and it looks like the home stream isn't playing right now, but see if the away
on Sportsnet.
Away stream. So now if I'm like sitting on the couch and I'm like, let me just open my phone, and I can say, can you connect to Slapstreams and play the Avs game full screen on the away feed, please? Boom. There we go. Anyway, running is cool. Let me know. Thanks.
Well.